Now I have never made compost before, so I wanted to give it a try. I have done some research and seen that there are two different ways to make compost. There's aerobic and anaerobic. The aerobic uses air, so when you make the compost it's not covered, whilst the anaerobic's in a sealed container. So I'm going to try on a small scale making these two different types of compost to see what outcome I get. So I'm going to start by in the bottom of these two containers. This one's going to be for my aerobic, this is going to be for my anaerobic. Popping some hay. I discovered you need to use a mixture of brown and green materials when making compost, and the brown are dried products like hay and cardboard, and the green are fresh products like kitchen waste or garden waste. So I'm going to alternate the brown and the green. So I've got some chopped melon, pop them both, and some potato. And then some newspaper. Also just got some old soil in a pot that I'm going to add. Sprinkle some of that into this one. And sprinkle it into this one. And then just some grass from the garden. Another layer of brown, some chopped up toilet roll tubes here. And some more melon and potato. So I've got a couple of leaves here from a pumpkin plant that didn't grow. Some more melon into this one. Some potato. So from what I've seen through research, you want to have equal amounts of the brown and green waste. But as I said, this is my first time making compost, so we will see how it goes. So if you have any tips about compost that I don't know, please feel free to share. More dirt in there. Hopefully it will help get things going. We've got some of the organisms that we need, I hope anyway. Pop some hay on the top, and some hay on the top of this one. Now the one in the sealed container I am not going to have to add any water to, because it should have the moisture in there already from the vegetables. But this one I'm going to give a water, and then this one will need turning every week, and then this one I will give a shake up every week, and we will see what the outcome at the end is, and hopefully I would have made compost for the first time.